Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the live stream. Currently, let me just quickly tell you guys that I'm in a trade in a gold. Okay, so in 2 minutes, the New York session will start, and we'll see how it goes. So let me just clarify some things here. Okay, I guess we are streaming, right? I need to check. Oh, yep, we are here. I'll just quickly share with some people here especially in my Discord server. Sorry for people who have not joined this. Maybe next time, like when I live the website, it will be better. So not sure yet. Okay, so currently we are in this trade. So I took some losses yesterday and today. So yeah, today was pretty good. Here's the thing. On GBPJPY at this area, I took the trade over here, and today I started in the profit. Like I took around $200 of a profit. Then I took some losses on gold while taking this buy. So it was pretty confusing. First, like I was confused, like should I take the buy or not, because price was heavily in uptrend. So I was like, let's wait for New York session and before we take the buy. So I think New York session will drive this price to go up. So that's what I'm expecting over here. And yeah, let's wait and see. So currently only 1 minute left before this 30-minute candle do closed. So after that we will see how it goes. Currently we are in neither profit or loss. It's like consulting at that area. So gonna wait and see. Okay. Oh, hopefully you guys can hear me properly. Like, I don't know. So here's the thing. Let me just go to a daily time frame. Okay, here's the markouts I have done here, right? On a daily time frame, price this broke this resistance over here, which was formed in March, I guess. And after that, price did took some rejection over here. So I'm expecting that price finally will this candle will close around here before going down, I guess, but not sure yet. It depends on the news, as I said. Like depend what kind of a news we are having, and then we'll see. So like we have news on at 2:15. So in 15 minutes we have a news ADP non-farm employment change. So like I guess this if news will affect. So let's see the numbers and we'll see. And after that we have 2:30. There is unemployment claim which will affect USD as well. So yeah, finally we are starting the New York session here and we'll see how it goes. Okay, price does look pretty good. We have 25 pips stop loss. So like here's the thing, should I, because I think price can easily come to this area and before going up. So I'm expecting if price in New York session, if price do come back a little bit down, so I'm just giving price to move around before going, up or down. Because I took this trade based on 30-minute time frame. So like price was in uptrend. After breaking above this previous resistance, price broke above this small rejection zone over here. So I'm expecting that if price needs to continue going up, it can come back down before going up. Like this candle can be bearish before going up, because every time New York session start there is an opposite movement before going in a proper trend. So we just need to have wait 15 minutes or so. So like currently I'm using this TRADELOCKER. Like it's pretty cool. Like I can watch chart over here too. Like look at this. I can just properly. And another thing is like it's the same for here and here. It's just this is I have not customized yet, and this is the customizable thing. But the good thing is like I don't need to open MetaTrader 4 or 5. I can just show you the live account. You can see the equity over here, that is 48,000. Currently I'm down around 2,000, so that's not good. Like it's like 4% or so on the first, I think second day. So that's like yesterday I took pretty bad losses. The reason I took the loss over here, it's because of the NAS. Like I don't trade this usually, so at that time I took, okay, here's the thing. When I was trading this, I saw this, okay, there was this resistance forms, price did break below. I was like, okay, it will continue going down. It was here. I took sell after closing this candle. I took sell over here. Price was going down nicely, but it rejected and went back up. So it was not expected that there will be a news. I don't know if the like it just went through up. So I was like, I had a stop loss around here, so I did close, but it was a big loss around 600 or so. So that's why I went in loss, and after that I took some pretty bad losses on other trades as well. Like you can say it was an over trading thing. So from now on, like this is the last trade I will take on gold, I guess. I don't think so I will take any other trade over here, because looking at this price actions, price have already made some good move over here. So in New York session, most probably price will retrace and continue the trend, hopefully. Looking at the gold, I'm expecting the same moment. Currently we are up $60. Let me just grab my phone over here, just a second. Okay, got my phone. Just checking over here some things. Yep, now I can see that properly. Yeah guys, okay, so like now I can see your chat properly. Like I was just checking if the live stream is working properly or not on the phone. Yeah, I think it's working properly, but let me know in comment section, like in the chat section, that you guys can hear me properly and things like that. Just okay, price is moving nicely. Hopefully we gonna close our partials at around 25 pips or 27 pips or so. Yep, 25 pips. We're gonna close our partial over there, so we're gonna mark that area out over here. I'm gonna go here and I'm just gonna type P to take partials for me. And gold is like pretty book like according to me, if you go to weekly time frame or so, like price can, like this candle should be closing around this area before continue, like it is. Okay, here's the thing, you guys can see over here, like this was the break of structure over here, price did went up, close like this, two bullish candles. So this candle is like here, it's bearish, so like I believe that it will do the same thing. After that we can see the continuation of the uptrend, I'm sorry, downtrend. So like I'm expecting that on the weekly basis. And on daily time frame, you can see there was this consolidation zone. You can expect the same thing over here. There will be some consolidation zone before breaking this lows over here, because if you go to a previous time frame over here, like you can see there was, before breaking these zones, there was a lot of consolidations, and we need a pretty big news to, I guess, continuing lower. So like we'll see. But yeah, just I think 5 or 6 minutes left before we have news. So currently we are up $95. Yeah, 6 minutes left before the news come in. So let's see how it goes. We just need to wait over here. Okay. Currently up around $81 or so. Let's see how it goes though. If you guys have any questions or anything, I will reply you in the chat, or maybe just ask me there. I will, right now I'll answer you guys. Let me know. Let's take a look on GBPUSD, what's it's doing. Okay, looking at the GBPUSD, I think on a weekly basis, price have broken above, doing quite a good retest over here. Daily time frame, price did a good retest. Now continuous of the uptrend after breaking all these things. So what I'm expecting with the US news, this huge candle, either it will continue going up, or maybe we can see some, what do you call, downtrend, like retest of the zones before taking any trades, because I am not seeing any retracement. And GBPJPY, it did broke below this areas, but coming back in the zone, that is quite not good, because this is now whole fake out zone, and I think it was just covering all this up. So I think it will just continue going up, but we need to wait for further confirmation of like price should break above 183,900 or so. And looking at the gold, as I said, like here's the same thing, price did break above this area, but now price did went back in the zone, so like we can see further continuation of the uptrend. Just mark this zone out here properly. Okay, now the new candle have like just went back down. 2 minutes left before the news of ADP non-farm payroll. You can see the time over here. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, prices rejecting and coming back down, making some retracement over here. 2 minutes left. Then we will see like how the news turn out to be, because new 1 hour candle, I have put stop loss exactly below that, because if it breaks below that, then it will definitely coming down to these zones, which is not good for like to hold a trade also. So I'm just gonna wait at this point. One minute left. We are down around $100. Okay, only 1 minute left, or you can say 40 seconds. Now this is quite like, so like here I have not put the stop loss because most of the time it just wicks out. So like I will just close manually whenever price is in the zone. I will just close it. I'll wait at this point though, because I was expecting this much, like this candle should come a little bit down, but I'm not expecting it to go below this area. That's all. Okay, 5 seconds left. Now we have the news. Oh shit. That was big news. I was not expecting this much of volume over here. Just lost $400. We are down around 447,000. So like now I am not sure, like I think I should just wait now. GBPJPY is like having an uptrend thing, but like gold had a really bad reaction. Like according to history, we are down around 1,200 and total 2,800. So like I guess we just need to wait before we take any trades at this point now. Like if price do close below this areas, then I can take sells, but like before that I cannot take any trades, because now this is like a whole consolidation zone again. We took big loss. We have next news at 2:30 p.m. so like after 15 minutes or so. So I'm gonna just wait for it before, till then we can't do anything. This is the first day of the last time and we took a big loss here. That's not good. But anyway, I think price is moving strongly to the downside. As right now we can't just take the trade randomly over here, Look at this 5-minute candle. Just one big loss. Okay, now it's approaching the support zone. What I will say, like if price do break below that area, I think it will continue to this zone. So we're gonna enter a trade after like 11 minutes or so. Because I'm sure like after this 5-minute candle will be closed. I'm not expecting it to, okay, I'm not expecting it to continuously like go over here, but like I'm just waiting for new 5-minute candle before it starts. If this candle is around this area and next candle go and broke this candle low, then we can see that like it will continue to downside for like next 15-minute candle too. But like if it doesn't, then I just need to wait. I mean, well, this was a great, like, can you just take a look at the numbers? Okay, so like we were expecting around 226, but it came out pretty big, so that's really good news for USD. Then it's pretty bad for gold actually. Okay, yeah, here, see, it's good for dollar, then it's bad for gold. So now what I would think is like new 5-minute candle is now starting. Okay, damn, that was like, we can just now take a sell over here, and we're gonna close it around 200 and so. Okay, price is we're gonna close that, and yep, we just secure some profit. That's good for now, as you guys can see. Let me just refresh it. So we were targeting this zone, we took trade around here and we just closed it here. So that's all that we did, but this was a pretty big movement. So we took a trade of like profit of like 129 and 153, so like that's $300. So that's pretty good, like after losing. So we lost around 400. We lost around 400, like $800 over here, like including 400, yeah, around 1000, but we did recover around 400 or so. So I'm not gonna trade further till I see more confirmation. But this is like, price is pretty going too far. I can't even take a trade blindly. The reason is like price can any moment reject the zones and go a little further up. But the way it's falling, it's like no. Okay, looking through and left hand side, price have a mark this zone out. So like we can just reset chart when next price can come as to this zone, and we can just mark this as a support over here. So like if this 13-minute candle still stays above this area, then I think it will probably reject and come back around 50% of this big candle to recover, and after that it can continue going down. But yeah, whoever is watching right now, like if you're new to the live stream, welcome to the live stream, and we're gonna do this at every New York session, or maybe in the sometimes in London session, not confirm it yet. But yeah, if you have any questions, write it down in the chat, I'll answer it. What do you guys suggest? Like if we take a sell at that point when we closed it, should we have closed it, or we should have hold it? After 6 minute 15-minute candle will be closed, but we still have a lot of time left. Look at this, like just didn't have a second over here and just dropped. It's like 50 pips dropped, and whole drop is like how much? So that's like 172 pips. Look at that. Looking at the GBPUSD, yeah, price is looking pretty good. Same for GBPJPY. I think after this moment, tomorrow is NFP, so like I'm not gonna okay, now that's going pretty down low too. Till we have this next zone approaching, like after this pretty big drop, I'm not expecting for the price can still, you know, we have 5 minutes before the next news come in, so you're just gonna wait for that. But like yeah, price is still dropping. Like if we have just hold that candle, like oh my god, I would love to scalp again, but like not like it's not good just to take a random trade over here. So I'm just gonna wait, and we're already down around 2300 overall. You can see okay 2600 overall, so I will expect that. Three minutes left. Let me just quickly log into my FunderPro account. So like if you guys need to purchase the challenge with them, you can use my code xahil20. That will give you around 10% off. Okay, that is my challenge. So like here is the thing, we are currently down 2500 or so. Our remaining loss is like still left 2400. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna from now on, from next day, we're gonna use small lot sizes like 0.50 or so. We're gonna target small profit, because I think because of the lot size I've been taking is like not good for the 50k account size. Let me know in the chat, like, what do you guys think? We have 1 minute left. I think GU will continue going up. It was just this news did throw him down a little bit, but I think it will continue going up. This is like, you can say on a 30-minute time frame or so, it was the retest of the broke of the structure. So like we can expect price can move to this zone. We have 1 minute left before the 30-minute candle closed, and 1 minute left before the news come in. Unemployment claim, whatever the news come in, like I think that will drive this price either more down or maybe a little bit upside. Let's see how it reacts. Like it didn't give an, like this was a quick drop. Like people who were in the sell around this zone, that was like quick dump. We have 20 seconds left. We'll see the news and then we'll move to chart over here. I think it might be positive because it's rejecting over here, and same for GBPUSD as well. We have 4 seconds left. Let's see how it's reacting. Yep, new candle just started. It's still going down. It says pending. So like I think it's okay. For CAD it was bad. It's the same, just increase 1. So like that's, they were forecasting that's better for USD than it's bad for gold, so it will continue going down. On that basis we can take a sell over here, but like after falling that much, if we take a sell, that's not good too. Let's take a quick scalp off of 0.50. Let me take a look at 1 hour, 30 minutes left. So if this candle, we can expect this much of, so let's take a sell. We'll close it around at $100, I guess. I'm expecting price to drop this much. Like 10900 or so, because that's a, I think it will reject honestly. minutes we have till the 5-minute candle close. 2 minutes. Okay, now it's rejecting. We're gonna close it as soon as it like went a little bit in profit, because I'm not thinking like in a straight direction. The reason is like looking at this 30-minute and 15-minute time frame. Most of the time when price do break the low in the start of the candle, it does reject. So yeah, we need to close it. We're gonna fuck up again, which we don't need. So we're down around 47,000. Yeah, so like today was no good day, and like I think we should from next day, as we have just $200,000 left to trade with, so we're gonna use 0.50 on every trade, because in a long period of time it can help me to grow back my profit up, and I'll take trades based on only in London and New York session according to the plan. Here's the thing, in last two trade, like because of the news and everything, I think I did overtrade a little bit, not a little bit actually. I don't know why, but like the account, like the funded accounts, like I'm doing my best, but maybe in future we will see how it goes. And this is the second day of the 50k funded account, I guess. Well, no trade for like next further today or maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow is NFP. So Friday, yep, tomorrow is the NFP, so we can't take trades tomorrow, and we're gonna start on Monday, I guess, then directly. So I will see you guys on Monday, and we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna start with the small things, and we're gonna see you on Monday. So guys, thank you for being on the live stream. If you guys have any questions or things like about the website, yeah, it's down right now. I don't know what happened, but there are some issues coming in with the website where I built. But I think if you guys know how to use WordPress or have knowledge about it, hit me up on my email or something. But yeah, well, thank you for being part of this trading journey. I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, bye. And again, see you guys on Monday.